Today, we will make float. Dapat, MY Santiam. Next, cream. Kailangan walang What is your name? Hindi. My name is How old are you? Where do you live? Where do you live? Where do you live muna?
Where do you live?
Ha? Ano yun? Yayay?